Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Google Photos app and also cancel the account if you use it, of course. There are some features on Google Photo, for example, like memories, a collections, and you can search your like archive of your media like video or photo. But if you feel you don't need this feature anymore, or even you don't need the Google Photo at all, you cannot simply uninstall it via application management application list. I give you an example. Let's try to search a Google Photo. This one, Photos. If you tap it, there is no way you can uninstall it from this application info. For example, another app, PixArt, for example, here there is an uninstall button. But in Google Photo, only there are three options here. Open it, force stop, or disable your Google Photos app. So in order to uninstall this application, you need to close your application info or application management. Now you can directly jump into the Play Store. Here you can tap search for photo or Google Photo. This one, Google Photo. You can tap it. Now you can try uninstall from Play Store. And also, if you want to, if you still want to use it, Google Photo, please keep up to date. Also, you can update it only via Play Store. And also, you can uninstall it on your application management. Tap on your profile picture. Tap Manage Apps and Device. Again, you can tap Manage and try to find or sort it by name first. And try to search your Google Photo from here, this one. So you can tap or tick the box and see there's a trash icon at the top right corner of your screen. Just tap it in order to uninstall or remove completely Google Photos from your device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.